kill your drone. Oh, there's like, shit, this was a bad idea.
Today I'm here in Vaasa, Finland, and the boys are coming up with a challenge, a drone-related challenge for me.
He's actually gonna do it.
I'm thinking so.
Yeah. He just
said that, okay, let's have a peek inside.
I'm not feeling confident about this at all.
What if he loses it inside that tunnel? I'm not gonna go get it. Are you?
Huh?
Honestly, no. It's gonna stay there.
We'd
forever.
have to.
Yeah.
No way. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna happen. It's off the cards.
well, he's actually gonna try it. Look at that.
Yep.
He's gonna try it. The impossible flight.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Leo, and on today's episode I'm going to try to squeeze in my DJI Mini 3 Pro through a window up there.
Yeah.
So the thing is, Leo is a hell of a drone pilot.
Yeah, we
and
know that.
You see really up there,
Yeah.
there's a window.
Oh!
That's like horizontal, it's open, so we could, I'm betting my ass that we could fit in the DJI Mini 3 Pro.
Yeah,
through
the
there.
Mini goes there. That would
It
be
would fit there.
sick.
Am I good to go?
No.
No.
For fuck's sake, I just got it out of my backpack. So how about you wait a fucking minute for me to set it up?
Run and gun. Run and gun vlogging.
Run and gun cinema. Anamorphic.
Yeah. Per.
On muuten vähän lähellä sormea.
No fucking way.
No, I'm
Yeah, you're.
not so confident about this. Oh, fuck.
Oh, there's a bird.
There's a-
They're
Okay,
trying
so-
to kill your drone. Oh, there's like, oh shit, there's
Oh,
like
this is-
5 of them. Ah, sport mode, the fuck. Oh, there's like a entire fucking flock of them.
Okay, so this drone flight has
This concludes
the title will be I wasn't feeling confident about this.
Yeah, this was a bad idea. How many of those birds there were? Like
7,
5 or
8?
7.
7, 8?
It was crazy. They were like attacking the drone.
Yeah. Lesson of today. Sometimes it's better to change your plans, take the drone down if you are attacked by birds.
It was like the attack of angry birds.
Yeah, that's like,
There
I don't
was-
know, maybe they have nests.
Yeah,
there or
I
something,
think so
and
too. They have
so,
to, yeah.
and that's something we as drone pilots don't want to do. We don't
Yeah.
want to bother nesting birds or anything
No,
like that. So
no, that's-
if it looks like that, so then just take the drone down.
Yeah. That
And
was
fly
like, there
somewhere.
was
That was like
7
close
of
call.
them.
7, 8.
Yeah.
I think they are like sparrows.
Sparrows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was like ridiculous.
Thank you so much for watching. Fly
And,
where there are no birds, and we see next time on this channel when I feel like posting a video. Until then, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.
So I've been speaking loud. Yeah, I've been talking loud. And we be getting high. We just in the vibes, trying to make it by. Just let the man breathe and just hush so my mind could just cease, so my mind don't erupt.